Chinese astronomers say their new space telescope will outdo Hubble. China is gearing up for a massive project that would boost the country's space station complex and astronomical research efforts. In addition, China can take pride in its A-list participants. Xuntian is the name of China's space telescope, also called the Chinese Space Station Telescope, CSST, or the Chinese Survey Space Telescope. The name Xuntian means surveying the sky, or surveying the heavens in its literal meaning. The primary mirror of the CSST, which measures 2 meters, 6.6 feet, in diameter and rides on a bus-like platform, will be deployed in 2019. The Tiangong space station will share orbit with an ultraviolet-optical satellite telescope. The observatory is designed to perform its space tasks for a minimum of 10 years. Xuntian is intended to be superior to the Hubble Space Telescope operated by NASA. This massive space station will be positioned in orbit close to China's space station for convenient maintenance visits by Chinese astronauts. This is an ambitious goal.